Transform your marketing with hyper-realistic AI avatars that speak your brand story. Today, we're diving into how to create compelling user-generated content UGC-style ads using HeyGen, a powerful AI video generation platform. First, let's select the perfect avatar. HeyGen offers a vast library of realistic AI avatars, or you can even create your own custom one. For this tutorial, we'll choose a friendly, relatable avatar that can authentically connect with your audience. Next, set the scene. Choose a background that complements your brand or product. You can use preset scenes or upload your own images and even short video clips to create a truly immersive experience. Now for the magic personalization, type your ad script directly into HeyGen. This is where you'll craft your message, focusing on benefits and calls to action that resonate with your target audience. Just like authentic UGC, HeyGen's AI automatically syncs the avatar's lip movements to your script, ensuring a natural and believable delivery. You can also fine-tune gestures and expressions to enhance emotional impact and engagement. Once your script and avatar are ready, preview your video. You can add text overlays, background music from a library, and even voiceovers for different languages to amplify your message. With a simple click, HeyGen generates your high-quality AI-powered UGC. This video is ready to be uploaded to any platform, driving engagement and conversions by offering a fresh, new approach to digital advertising. By leveraging HeyGen, you can produce dynamic, personalized video content that captures attention and builds trust, ultimately boosting your marketing ROI. Start creating yours today.